Megha. I am actually a sales professional, aspiring to be trainer, though I have taken few trainings earlier. I thought that I'll be better trainer after this course, but after these 4 days rigorous training with Dr. Sanjay, I realized that now I am aspiring L&D professional. I got such a thought through concept of learning and development, all thanks to Dr. Sanjay. I really look forward to begin my career as L&D professional now and getting more deeper into the subject. So all thanks to Dr. Sanjay. Thank you.
If you find the video helpful, please share with your friends after hitting the like button. Remember to subscribe to our channel for regular updates.